Okay, the networking components, you have 3 desktop PC, router, wireless router, unmanaged switch, and network cables. By the way, dun sa mga network cables, kayo ang gagawa. Okay? So make sure yung mga cables na gagawin nyo, tested. Pag hindi umaandar yan, wala kayong ma-network. Bagsak kayo sa group activity. Okay? So nakadepende din yan sa cables. Yes?
Yung cable po ba na nandun po, okay lang po ba na ginawa na po namin beforehand or...
Hindi, gagawin nyo. Mismo doon. Dito nyo gagawin. Okay? So you need to bring your networking tools.
Yan po yung model.
Come again?
Yes po. Haba po.
At least 1 meter.
1 meter.
Okay, topology, gagamitin natin star kasi may switch, di ba? Okay. Ganito yung magiging ano niyan, tsura. Okay? So your router is connected to your switch. And then the 3 PC, PC1, PC2, and PC3. Yung nakikita niyo sa harap, PC1, PC2, PC3. Connected yan sa switch. Ito yung switch na gagamitin natin. Ito yung unmanaged. Okay? Iba kasi dyan, manageable switch sa mga yan. Okay? Walang question dito sa topology?
Wala po, sir. Star topology. Star po yan na, sir.
So ito yung gagamitin natin router. Okay? So before you set up a network, make sure i-set up nyo muna yung router. Okay? Kasi nakadepende yung connection natin. Your router, since wala tayong server because you're configuring a peer-to-peer, okay? Yung router natin, siya yung isa-set up nating DHCP server. So when you say DHCP, anong ibig sabihin ng DHCP server? Siya yung tagabigay ng IP address. So when you connect your device to this router, ito yung magbibigay. By default, yung mga router natin, nakaset na yan as DHCP. Okay? And about the default settings, na-discuss na ba sa inyo ito last week? Configuration ng router? Basic? Nakalimutan na, pero at least na-introduce ko na, di ba? Okay. So, ang gagawin nyo, when you have your exam, make sure to reset your router. Okay? Kasi maaaring ginamit siya ng ibang group. So make sure to perform a hard reset. So hard reset na natin. Okay. How do you perform a hard reset on a router? Ito yan, the reset button. Okay? So, dapat may power.
nga daw eh. Sabi sa nakikita lang sa screen.
Okay? And then press the hard reset button for about
Dito mo yung video.
dapat steady yan.
Nag-blur yung background.
So, since may power na, so 10 seconds. So, press this button for, long key press for about 10 seconds. So, steady.
Nag-portrait lo na doon.
Okay, namatay, di ba? Then, release. Okay.
Ang pogi mo dito, sir.
Okay, before you connect all your devices using this topology, configure muna natin yung router. Okay? So gagamit tayo ng cable. Anong cable to? Router to PC. Straight cable. By the way, class Mayo, dala mo yung test paper. And then, anyway, recorded na yan, di ba? So you can, pwede mo nang i-distribute sa mga may-ari. By the way, what is the perfect score? 60 ilan? Nakakakuha ng 60. Dalawa. They are
Joe?
C. Lee. Okay, so 60. and your class mayor.
Galing, solid.
What is the lowest? Do you have anything? Huwag mo mention yung pangalan. Pero higit sa...
Check ko na lang po sa...
Okay.
Tapos yung kapala.
So, i-connect natin. Okay, ganito yung gagawin nyo. Saan nyo isasaksak? Sa blue or sa yellow?
Blue.
What for?
Blue. Blue. Yellow pala,
Sa
sir.
blue, sabi ko nga sa inyo, huwag nyo pakilaman yung blue. Yung blue is for your internet connection. Then, so pag nakakita kayo ng router, kung i-configure nyo to using a cable, sasak nyo dito sa ordinary switch. This is your built-in switch. Okay, natin.
Sorry po. Bawi. Yeah, isig mo muna.